Unveiling the Silence, the Power of Deafening Silence. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very intriguing phrase, deafening silence. You might be wondering how silence, which lacks sound, can be described as deafening. Well, stay tuned as we unravel the mystery behind this oxymoron and learn how it enriches our communication. Deafening silence is an oxymoron, a figure of speech that combines two seemingly contradictory terms. Normally, we associate deafening with extremely loud noises, like a thunderclap or a concert speaker. On the other hand, silence signifies the absence of sound. When put together, this phrase captures a powerful and often unsettling form of silence. It's not just the lack of noise. It's a silence so intense that it feels overwhelming, as if it were a loud sound itself. This phrase is used to convey more than just quietness. It often highlights a tension, an expectation, or a notable absence of response when one is anticipated. For example, in a situation where you expect applause or a reaction, and there's none, the silence you experience is deafening. It's loud in its absence, speaking volumes without a single sound being made. This kind of silence can evoke strong emotions, from discomfort to anticipation, making it a powerful tool in both literature and everyday conversation. To grasp the full impact of deafening silence, let's look at some examples. In literature, an author might describe a scene where a character reveals a shocking secret to a room full of people. And then there's a deafening silence, as everyone processes the revelation. In movies, a tense moment where a character expects a response to a proposal, and the prolonged silence that follows emphasizes the gravity of the situation. In everyday life, after asking a group a challenging question, the lack of immediate response can be described as a deafening silence, highlighting the difficulty or discomfort of the question. When using deafening silence, think about the context and the emotions you want to convey. It's a phrase that fits well in creative writing, speeches, and situations where you want to underline the significance of a moment marked by silence. Remember, its power lies in its ability to make the absence of sound feel as impactful as the loudest noise. We hope this video has shed light on the intriguing concept of deafening silence, and how it can be used to add depth to your communication. This phrase beautifully demonstrates the complexity and richness of the English language, showing us that sometimes, silence can speak louder than words. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of language learning with you. Keep listening, keep learning, and remember, the beauty of language lies in its ability to convey the profound in simple terms. See you in the next video.